In the suburb of Tongzhou, in the district of Beijing, on the 17th floor, in my apartment block, the view of wonderful clear sky and admiring China infrastructure and the train going past excite me.
The rich had all grown richer while the poor all took a hit. And his friends were all in jail, and he lost all of his rights. And the people were divided, and the earth wasn't even fit for life. And he wanted to go back, but by then it was too late. Because stupid followed evil, and there was nowhere to escape. Cause stupid followed evil, and there was nowhere to escape.
You see, ever since I thought of coming to China, I wanted to ride a subway and experience it all. After watching documentaries of human ingenuity of constructing such a complex system, maneuvering obstacles and challenging the mind of bright engineers was truly magical. Of course, constantly getting stopped in China is my daily routine. It's much quieter on a weekend here in Beijing, China, and I was actually expecting this place to be packed. You know, people are, let's say, living in the West right now, and their idea, they think China is just packed full of people everywhere. It's freaking crowded. Look at it, absolutely deserted in some level. And today I'm riding the metro, the subway. I've heard so many things about it, and apparently it's A class. It's my first time ever here in Beijing, China, and it should be good. Oh, that's a very nice bike ride there. Yeah, look, hello. They have people here in this country are very nice. For a city as Beijing, it's very international. You think maybe they've seen their fair share of foreigners, but yes, still, they're always nice, willing to say hi and hello. This is China. The people are very nice. The one thing you have to be careful, the most dangerous thing in China is the cars, the majority of them, they are, let's say, electric, right? So that means you can't hear them. So you have to look your shoulders and all that. Hello. Right, so this one is for Alipay and it's brilliant. Nice to meet you. Pleasure. Nice to meet you. Pleasure. Bye. You know what I like? I like anything convenient. Fast food. Maybe more like my bad habits. There are many options in China when it comes to food. And food here can be healthy and good and fatty and tasty and cheap. Of course, watch your weight, because there are many alleyways of dangerous food here. I mean, like this crispy, perfectly tender sesame seed on the top, slices of pineapple on the insides, and cheese, and yummy and fatty, succulent and soggy. Yeah, tasty, very tasty. Not bad, my friend, not bad. There's a pineapple in there as well. I mean, in here, look at it. Pineapple right there. It's awesome. What? Oh, this one here. Oh, there we go. I feel weak. I feel tired. Look, I just eat fast food. I feel shit. And tell you what, that's a shit food. But good kind of shit. Why am I saying shit? It's mad.
This is something brand spanking new right out the oven. Stick a fork in it, I'm done. I did it for nothing. All in vain. I wanted to get the fame, but I also wanted local kids respecting my name.
The sheer size of that map scares the hell out of me, mate. It's that big. I mean, massive, mate. Absolutely. Oh, these girls have got flour. They got flour. I thought the flour is for me, but no, it's not for me. Oh my god. Because I badly need, let's say, encouragement right now, because that is freaking scary. Look at it. It's mad. It's huge. First time. Let's get downstairs. Let's go and ride a subway, the metro here in China.
It's all up to you. This ain't old shit. This is something brand new. 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 This is something brand new. Brand new. Brand new. Brand new.
The sheer size and scale of Beijing Metro will freak the hell out of you indeed, my friend. Of course, on the first glance, it may seem scary, but realistically, it's easy as picking up a cute puppy, easy to maneuver. If the data is correct, Beijing has 27 subway lines, and the closest line to me is line 1.
Well, it is very, very straightforward. But the thing is, like, you can't use any Western debit card on or getting into the train station. No way. Like, you can't pass the barrier. You need to get one of the card. And yeah, thankfully, my company actually provided me a card I can use to commute. And I did try to use my contactless payment, Apple Pay. It doesn't work.
Beijing, China is not like commuting on London Underground, where going from London Bridge to Oxford Circus under 30 minutes simultaneously seems possible. But here, it's a whole kind of different beast, my friend. A beast that is so vast and takes time, I mean lots of time, getting from point A to point B, which I underestimate coming in.
It feels so smooth. Love it. It's clean, spacious, and apparently the announcements are also in English as well. So let's wait for that. I'm pretty sure it should be right. And yeah. Of course, you can't drink and eat on the train. No way. In the UK, if you tell someone not to eat, not to drink, oh, they will take it personal, isn't it?
Listen, Beijing railway system is phenomenal, clean and cheap. How cheap? Let's say 5 to 7 yuan cheap, more like under $1 cheap. And it has a total mileage of 807 kilometers, equivalent to 501 miles, with 475 stations, including 81 transfer stations, connecting the downtown areas like Tiananmen Square, which happens to be my next stop. I am pretty sure Tiananmen Square is going to be insanely packed. Oh boy, that's the most busiest station.
It's nicely lit up, a lot of aircon. It's very comfortable, like just be here. It's spotlessly clean as well. It's fantastic, right? Like when you're riding the subway here in China, it's really amazing. Like this, it's so busy. So heading to Tiananmen Square now. The people behind me, quite a lot of them. See people going past me, and basically very, very easy, like to hello. People here are very, very friendly in China. Yeah, about the metro, the subway, basically, it's flawless. I mean, okay, maybe the only thing I didn't like about it is basically it's slightly a little bit louder. It's transportation-wise, infrastructure-wise in China, it is very, very, very fun, man. I love it. And this guy's actually filming me. It stopped there and it started recording me. You think I didn't know that? Oh man. Alright, let's walk a little bit. And Tiananmen Square, it's a very iconic place, very controversial, and very cool. Well, apparently you need a ticket, like to visit the Tiananmen Square. I didn't know that. Very proud, very patriotic kids, you know. So far I've no regret moving to Beijing, China. I love it. Ni hao.
It is true what I say about Chinese people's curiosity to strangers, because here, if you look something of a different race, you're exotic, my friend. And staring is next level, especially if you're black.
I get stopped all the time, being stopped to take a photo of me, I'm totally okay with that, right? As long as you approach me with respect, that's always, I'll always smile. But the things like, not just in Asia, but even as well in the UK as well, on some occasions I get stopped by, you know, random people, they want to take a picture with me because I'm a cool guy. You know, I got one of those faces, right? Basically, where as soon as you see me, you want to be friend with me.
I mean, it's more like a good kind of stare, especially if you have a charming smile like me. I am me constantly getting waved at and stop and receive compliments. I mean, what is with this compliment from random guys? It's pure genuine laughter of the finest hobby.
Those guys, they wanted to teach me some Chinese. They call me Answer. This is the second time another guys, they're calling me Answer. Oh boy, oh boy. I'm not gay, alright? Relax. Maybe it's just bromance. Am I overthinking things right now? But honestly, man, I don't mind the vibe, to be honest. Like, it's pretty cool. I don't mind it. There's a lot of pretty ladies walking past. I'm all the way in for pretty ladies. But the one thing is, on my way coming to this road, I'm gonna leave now, and basically, this police officers, they just stopped and asked me, what am I recording? I was like, oh, basically I'm recording because I have a YouTube channel. And then it was like, oh, YouTube. And I asked them, do you use YouTube? Hello, 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 hi, ni hao, hello, hello, high five, hello, high five, high five, hello, oh, hello, hey, very cute, very cute. This is a very cute boy. Look at this boy, it's so cute, man. Look at it. High five, high five, high five. Give me a five. High five, high five. Hey, high five.
You see, in China, grandpa and grandma look after the grandson or granddaughter, and the bond is as strong as rocket, bordered by strict traditional ideology. As a Westerner, you will struggle to comprehend at first, then mesmerized by such beauty. Tiananmen Square, I came to see you, but I was unprepared. No reservation booked, and I shall try some other day. Like they say, when one door closes, another door opens. Heading back to partake in a game of theatrical commute to the CCTV tower in the business district of Beijing.
Let's go. Hey, yo, I persevered and learned a lot. Trials and tribulations, daily loading clips and taking shots. Most these niggas try to play me. It's kinda hectic on the daily, baby. People shady. It's like depression, my confessions. Fucking baby, pay me. A couple friends of mine that got these deals and acting phony. But that's the cross across the beer, no doubt I peep it, homie. Sometimes I'm feeling divine. Sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the feet, the beat, the grind. In tabernacles, I battle rappers and shatter shackles. Have to pack packing the crackle. It's like an Adam's apple. I never claim to be
Listen,
perfect. I got
the capital of China, the language of work, shopping at high-end luxury brands are endless. The essence of making money is embedded in every outsider who came here for a better fortune. And this city is all about money, money, money.
Well, there is not much I can say about China. Amazing infrastructure, the subway, and I made my way now here to the business district. And this area, it's freaking expensive. If you're thinking of staying here, well, let's say you'll be working for, let's say, for your landlord, because the rents here are really high, insane, even higher than the ones you will find in London, you know. Yeah, you got the CCTV headquarters right there, and of course then this is China, let's say, Trade Center, right? It's China version. And yeah, it's pretty let's say, built up for business, and China is keen on business, right? Doing business with the world, and I think this place surely it's breathtaking, man. Well designed. I mean, everything. The other thing is I can't use so far are the bikes. I thought I figured it out, but no. I did sign up. I think my sign up was successful, but when it comes to us using it, I think everything was in Chinese, so that's the most difficult thing, right? Hopefully it works for me this time around. The bikes doesn't work for me, so finger crossed. Trying to go back to where I'm staying at. It's the first time using this thing, so I need to do all of this thing right now. I want to show you what China is all about. So I'm just waiting outside this hotel. Let's see. Oh, I think I did it. Your request is authorized. Oh, okay. I'm waiting for the driver now. I'm losing my voice. I'm really tired. You know, and I need to go and do some shopping for my house as well. So I gotta go now. Okay, this is my driver. Confirm. I can use Didi now. Oh man, China. You know, when it comes to us. Hello, ni hao. I can't believe I can use Didi now. So basically, it's amazing. Everything for me right now is the first time. First time riding the train. First time using a Didi. First time seeing this guy. First time he's smiling to me. Hello, ni hao.
It's not just spitting, there are plenty of cameras in this part of town. Of course, the HQ of the CCTV, I believe, and the financial district of China version of the World Trade Center. You see, China is the sort of place for an outsider when they first visit. They have so many assumptions, more like the negative ones, due to the things they may have seen or have heard about China. Chances are very bad things were happening. But in reality, with time in China, you will quickly realize the progress and prosperity is apparent when it comes to infrastructure and how easy access it is to everyone.
Yeah. Here we go, it's that easy, simple, breathtaking, pretty straightforward, right? Okay, let's see what's the price for that. It's like 39 quite.
You see, I was blind to see China for what it is, coming in. But now living here, I'm beginning to see light. I wanted to believe what they say about China so badly. But living here, this place is better than what I imagined. So I'm leaving this chapter unfinished as I continue to write more chapters in my life in China as a foreigner from the far west.